We have enunciated newer policies, making it more easy to do business. Ease of doing business has been practically done, whether it was the new industrial policy, whether it was the new logistics and warehousing policy, and recently we have changed regulations as far as allotment of land is concerned, simplifying things further in the Industrial Development Corporation. Because we mean business. And as I have always said, and I want to say this here a little differently, like I always had an issue with my director is from Kerala, so therefore I want to tell her, they always used to say God's own country. And then what was my argument to that? The gods dwell in Goa. So if it's God's own country, but they come and live in Goa. That's why everything good happens, and we want good things happening in industry as well. And we welcome in Goa eco-friendly industry. Tourism is our mainstay. In tourism, in the entertainment sector, there is tremendous opportunity. On the 29th of this month, that is in January itself, we are having our own summit, Invest Goa Summit. I would like most of you to come.